A is for
Anglerfish. Anglerfish.
B is for
Barracuda. Barracuda.
C is for
Crab. Crab.
D is for
Dolphin. Dolphin.
E is for
Elephant seal. Elephant seal.
F is for
Flounder. Flounder.
G is for
Garden eel. Garden eel.
H is for
Hermit crab. Hermit crab.
I is for
Indian glassfish. Indian glassfish.
J is for
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
K is for
Killer whale. Killer whale.
L is for
Lionfish. Lionfish.
M is for
Manta ray. Manta ray.
N is for
Needlefish.
O is for
Octopus. Octopus.
P is for
Penguin. Penguin.
Q is for
Queen parrotfish. Queen parrotfish.
R is for
Ratfish. Ratfish.
S is for
Seal. Seal.
T is for
Turtle. Turtle.
U is for
Unicorn fish. Unicorn fish.
V is for
Viperfish. Viperfish.
W is for
Walrus. Walrus.
X is for
X-ray fish. X-ray fish.
Y is for
Yellow boxfish. Yellow boxfish.
Z is for
Zebra moray. Zebra moray.